What are you doing, baby? Are you practicing feeding yourself? Good job. Good job. I know, it's so good job. That was a good one. That was a really good one. What a big girl you are. There you go. Yeah. What's on your face? Wait. Take a bite. Oh. She's trying to drink out of the yogurt cup and now it's like in her eyelashes. Did you see her? What are you doing? How do I even begin to clean you up? How do I even start?